Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing Vig the frog Squishmallow. Let's start off with a big oval to start for the base. And try to round this out as much as possible, because Vig is a very round character. And then connect the points. This is going to be the base for Vig. Vig is a frog, so we're going to have two little frog eyes. 1, 2. And let's give it big eyes. Really cute. Let's give Vig some nice big highlights for his eyes. And then color in the rest black. Once you have the eyes colored in, let's draw in the little two nose. 1, 2, and the cutest little smile, like so. Then Vig has a big belly, so let's go on either side. Curve up. And connect. And Vig has some little cute little spots. We could draw those in. 1, 2, 3 up here. Let's do a few more bigger ones over here. 2 smaller ones, and then some on the other side on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're almost done with our Vig drawing. We just need to add some color real quick. All right, we got some nice green markers for Vig. Let's start off with the lightest one for the belly. Just go back and forth, fill in the belly with the lightest green you have. Alright, let's clean up the little edges real quick before we move over to the rest. It's looking good. Now let's see if we can find a proper green for the skin. Let's use this green, and I think this is going to be our closest to the skin. Let's give a little bit of the eyes some color, and give it a little bit, give a little bit of white space in between the eyes. We'll be using it for a lighter green color. Let's draw in some highlight circles. And now we just want to color on the rest of the body, this dark green. Almost done. And with the body done, let's draw in some of the darker circles with this other green. And we left the eyes for this lighter green, just to accent the outside. And let's color in this highlight with the lighter green, like so. And there you have it, your drawing of Vig the frog Squishmallow. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.